So, can someone explain to me what is going on in central Kentucky, along with other states inside of the United States? People have been recording and hearing strange, loud booms coming from the sky. Now, they're not from thunder and they're not from aircraft. As a matter of fact, take a listen to this video. Now, you heard it for yourself. What does that sound like to you? Does that sound like thunder? Does that sound like aircraft? Does that sound like some type of military action? I don't know. But if you live in central Kentucky and you heard that as well, please share your thoughts in the comments. And anybody else that's heard this, please let me know where you're from and what you heard if it sounded similar to that. And as always, I'd love to hear from you.